Talk about the weather too, because we've been on a little bit of a roller coaster with the temperatures and the humidity, and then the storm chances today, Amber.
That's right. Yeah, we've got some storms that we could see this afternoon, mostly for the South Shore. I am seeing some storms offshore and moving through the Grand Isle area this morning, but we certainly are going to watch those because a few could be strong as we head into the afternoon hours. So here's where they are right now. They're associated with a front that's been basically stationary overnight. This was our cold front that moved through yesterday. It has fired up some storms, and those storms have drifted north towards the Grand Isle area, and you can see that we've got mostly some storms that are going to be offshore, drifting north, even towards the mouth of the river towards Venice. So you can probably look out and see some lightning offshore. But again, most of these are moving very slowly. I do see some pop-ups inland, mainly for the South Shore this afternoon with some of the daytime heating. And then we lose that daytime heating and then we'll drop that storm chance. So here's how that could look on a future radar. Now keep in mind, this particular model is not initiating correctly because we know we have some storms in the south. But what it is seeing is that as the warm front lifts to the north, it is going to meet that daytime heating, and we'll see those pop-up showers and storms. Some of these could be strong and they could have some heavy downpours between that, say, 1 and 5 p.m. time frame. So especially watching for that afternoon commute. But once the daytime heating falls, the storm chances fall as well. And more of the same as we head into your Friday, about a 30% chance to see some showers and storms. This is not a widespread storm threat today or tomorrow. It's just where you see one, you'll have to watch because we do have the chance for some heavy downpours. Now into the weekend, new data in the last few hours has led me to believe that I should up the rain chances a little bit for Sunday. So I went from 20 to 30% because I don't want you to be caught off guard if you've got some outdoor plans for this Memorial Day weekend. But we are going to be hot and we are going to be muggy. Highs around 90 with heat index values in the low 100s. And we carry that forecast into Memorial Day. Here's your forecast for Monday. Around 90 for a high with low 100s for feels like temperatures. And your chances for some rain and storms right now, I have about 30%. I think we'll see some rain possibly move in late day. That's what I see right now. But of course, as we get closer, we can fine tune that. But it doesn't look to be a washout at this point. And winds out of the south a little on the breezy side for Memorial Day. But that really kicks off a pretty active pattern for us into the next week. So here's our rain and storm potential for next week. Heading into Monday, again, I see that rain and storm chance move in probably late day. And then we're going to keep the storm chance into Tuesday and into Wednesday as well. This particular cold front looks like it's going to pass by us and could give us some dry air towards the second half of next week. A quick check on the tropics. There is one area we're watching in the eastern Pacific. They are officially in their hurricane season, at least the Pacific Ocean is. That started May 15th, so this is not unusual. The waters are very hot here, but we'll watch a disturbance probably at some point within the next week develop there. Our first named storm of the season would be Alvin. And of course, watching the Atlantic Basin, a very quiet Gulf, incredibly quiet Caribbean, and we head to the Atlantic where we have some tropical waves but no concerns. Still a lot of upper level dust, Saharan dust moving through as it typically does this time of year, so no development is expected. We are 10 days from the official start of hurricane season, which starts on June 1st. Here's your forecast for the next 7 days. 90s for the weekend and 90s to start off next week. Better chances for some rain and storms